Okay, so I'm going to be talking about how I trade with one of my fundamental analysis, trading with fundamental analysis. So you go to your browser, you type my FS book, right? So this is my FX book. It actually gives you the news, the economic news. When you go to my FS book, you're going to see economic news right here. Then you're going to scroll down and see what the news for the day is. So today we had AUD, we had news on AUD, JPY, we had several news. Now the news on AUD was actually very high. All right. Now when you see this part stating high, we have medium. When you see high, that means taking that currency pair for that day should not be an option, right? So what you're going to do is just to overlook any currency, like any trade that has a currency pair of AUD. For instance, you can see AUD JPY, AUD USD, AUD NZD. Anything AUD should not be traded at that time. All right. Now, when you have a currency that has a medium news, like the news and the impact it will have in the market, this is the impact it will have in the market. That says it will have a medium impact in the market. That means taking it is more like 50-50. You must be a very good trader. You must be a very good sniper, market sniper, to take that currency pair at that time. But when you have the news that states low, fine. Low means it will have low impact on the market, all right? Like it will have nothing to, it might not have any impact. So it might be low, it could just be that there is no impact at all. That means you can actually take that currency pair. All right. So that is that about my FS book. So let me quickly take you to another one. We have Forex Factory. Whoa, this is a very interesting one. Now for Forex Factory, it's it works with with folders. Look at the currency pair here. Look at the dates. Look at the time of the news, the time which the news will be taking effect. Now, when you have the yellow folder, it means it has low impact in the market. Then the red folder is also telling you it has a very high impact in the market. Then this orange folder states medium impact also in the market. All right. So these are your fundamental analysis to one of them, basically using Forex Factory on my FS book. This is trading with the news. Before you take your trade, you should be able to know what is happening in the world. You can't just go into the trade blindly and be like, oh, don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I can mark up my charts, I can read my candles. No way. You need to get additional confirmation. All right. Okay, friends. Bye. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. I love you. Bye.